Balance weights have been added to the NZ7000 and NZ8000 to counter the weight of the zero-gravity door system. If the glass door or screen door becomes unbalanced and falls or rises rapidly, it is important to adjust the balance weight to ensure they perform properly. The screen door balance weights are located on the main frame on the inside right of the screen. Remove or add more weights as required to balance. The glass door balance weights are located on the outer glass frame on the left side. Remove or add more weights as required to balance. Test to ensure proper operation of the doors.